Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll try to analyze 1 inch, and if you look here, it has been slowly gaining a pretty good you can say market cap, and it is going up slowly. So it's basically up from 17 cent to as high as 34 cent, and that is basically 2x. So that is a massive, I would say, feat in just it started to go up from July 5th, as you can see here. So like in 8 days it's basically 2x. So let's have a look at it, why it is going up, and how let's assume that how high it can go as of now. Anyways, now it all started from July 5th, and they don't have anything going on their Twitter on July 5th, but they did basically ended up announcing 1-inch bounties at ETH, as you can see here, and because of that that could be one reason that the token has started to go up, because of the security, I would say. And after that they don't have anything on July 8th as well, and they have this on July 9th. So basically this is interesting. So whoever is using bridges, they can just instead they can just use their swap cross chain with 1-inch instead. So this is their app, and you can just do the cross chain, and because of that I think the token as of now, as we are in the Altseason, I would say, because of that there is a lot of volume for other alts, and because of that I think 1-inch is being used here by a lot of users. And if you look here, they do support a lot of chains including Solana, Ethereum, and others. And if we look at their volume, this is how their volume looks like. So basically it ended up hitting new all-time high in June 1st to June 30th. So basically last month it actually ended up hitting 36 billion in volume, which is massive. And again, as of now it is already at 3.2 billion. It is nowhere near its previous month's volume, but again it is pretty impressive. So I think the volume of the 1-inch is going up. Even if you look here, the biggest one would be Ethereum, followed by Binance Smart Chain. As of now, if you don't know, there are a lot of meme coins trading happening on Binance Smart Chain as well, and I think that has to do with Binance Alpha. That could be basically pushing a lot of tokens higher, and that is benefiting 1-inch somehow as well, as you can see here. Now if we just look at other news, they had this some potential security issues in 1-inch smart contracts deployed by Cove, as you can see here, and they ended up fixing that. After that they had their sponsor basically winning her second place, and that was, I would say, pretty big one. And after that they have this one that ETH CC8 brought the crypto crowd together, and they made most of it, and that could have been pushing the price higher as well. They talked there, so that could be it. And after that they have swap at the base rates from Polygon to Ethereum with 1-inch. They were basically pushing this one as well. After that they had their multi-sig wallets, share control over crypto, more signatures, more security. So they also had this one as well, and they just shared the volume. Now all of that has been basically pushing the price higher. And another reason could also be this one, that token basically ended up breaking this downtrend that was since December of 2024 in that Altseason. As you can see here, the price of the 1-inch actually ended up hitting 63 cent, and after that it was in just downtrend, and it actually ended up breaking out from that, and that could have actually built up a lot of momentum to the price action as well. Anyways, we'll come to that later. Now they also, if you look here, they have a lot of products that include swaps, wallet, even they also have card, they have portfolio tracker as well, and they have fusion as well, enjoy gas fee, cross-chain swaps, and MEV protection as well. So they have a lot of products in their suite. After that, if we look at their wallets download on just Play Store, it is above 500k, which is a lot, and they do have a pretty good ratings, including on Apple Store as well, as you can see here. So overall everything seems pretty good so far. And if we look at their actual app, this is how it looks like. You can do the swaps, you can also put limit orders as well, you can do advanced mode as well, you can do other things such as portfolio tracking, you can buy crypto directly, you can also get a card as well, so you can do a lot of things here. Now if we talk about the token itself, it is basically a governance token, and their governance is pretty active. As you can see here, there are a lot of proposals going on, and most of the tokens are in the circulation, so there is no big potential, you can say, sell pressure in when it comes to token unlock. So there is not I would say sell pressure that could actually push the price lower as of now, at least as of now. But again, if we look here, it actually ended up tanking. Like if we check it from December, it actually ended up tanking like 76%, which is not that bad if we compare it to other altcoins that basically tanked over 85% or even higher than that. So I would say as of now it has started to go up, and it has finally stopped at the first resistance. That would be like this one. So as of now this seems to be the pretty good resistance that the coin needs to cross if it wants to go higher. So like 44 to 40 cent, if it does cross above that, there's a high chance that it can go as high as 63 cent or even higher than that. But you have to understand that if we look at the Altseason, or if we look at the previous Altseason, which I would say was back in December, the token actually ended up hitting a market cap of $871 million. So as of now it's at 486 million. So there's a high chance that it could actually go as high as 700 at least. So if we look here, back in Altseason of March of 2024, the token actually ended up hitting like 700 million. So I think it still has a pretty good room to grow, at least from the previous Altseason. So if this Altseason continues to go up, we could see it actually go as high as like 63 cent or even as high as 52 cent is a possibility. Anyways, it is unclear what's pushing the price higher, because we don't have any big news that can be seen on their Twitter. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. But again, I think it still has room to grow if this Altseason continues to push higher. So the first one, I think the first price that it could actually peak around could be around 53, and the next would be around 64, and after that 70 or even higher if the Altseason continues to go up. But again, if we see immense buying power here, and let's just assume that it ends up going up like 100% in just 2 days, I think again it could actually stop around 91 as well. So that is a possibility as well. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.